welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change password on your Meetup app. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Meetup app. In order to change password on your Meetup app, you'll have to make sure that you have logged out of your account. Then after you open your Meetup app, you'll be on a surface something like this. Here you'll have to tap on the second option, that is already have an account and log in. Once you do that, here you'll be directed on the second page where you'll get three options that are continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with email address and password. Here on the bottom you can see that there is an option forgot password. Here you'll have to tap on it. Once you do that, here you'll be asked to enter your email address that you have used while creating your account. And once you type that email address, tap on send. Then you'll get an email on your email address. Once you go back, tap open your Gmail application. If you scroll here, you'll be able to see reset your password. Here you'll be directed on a page something like this. Here you'll have to choose your new password. Make sure to type in a password that you can remember easily and is secure enough. And once you do that, tap on go. And just like that, you'll have successfully changed your password on your Meetup account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.